Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Miss Day. So I decided to use Screencast-O-Matic to create another short video for option number 3, um, reflecting on culture. So I went to the arts and culture through Google, and I learned about London street art. So this is the tour that I went on. And what I thought was really neat is what they did was different street artists went to a gallery. Dulwich, I guess, is the name of the gallery here. And the street artists chose a traditional work of art, and then they actually created a mural in different parts of London to represent these original works of art. So let's look at this one. There's an artist preparing his sketch. Okay, so here is the painting that he chose. And this is called The Guardian Angel. And I don't even know if I can say this artist's name. Francescini Marcantonio. This is from the 1700s. All right, so let's see how he interpreted that. So this particular street artist's name is Styx. And what I've gathered is that it's because he does stick figures. So I thought that was pretty cool. You can see they've did some close-ups here, reference back to the original painting. There's a video here of him discussing his artwork. And here's the next artist. And so this is the painting that he referenced, that he chose to reinterpret. And this is called Joseph Receiving the Pharaoh's Ring. And this is from Tiepolo. Again, this is going to be a really abstract interpretation. So here's the Pharaoh giving the ring to Joseph. There's the angels in the background, and then these were the 3 guards. So I just thought this was really cool. And then they also interviewed the artists about how his style and how he interpreted the piece. So I thought this was really cool, getting to see the different street art around London, and how art history has influenced the street art. Thought it was really cool. So on this, of course, they added the cans to the interpretation. So they added the cans here. Anyway, I thought that was really cool. So your other options are you could do Flipgrid and talk to me about it. You could write a poem. I want to give you as many choices as possible for you to come up with what you'd like to do to show me that you've learned something. So you can see here I said write a poem, create a drawing. I'm using the Screencast-O-Matic. Of course, you could use Flipgrid. So I hope you find something interesting. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Good luck!